How to connect Slack to Zapier. Hello everyone, and let's get started. The integration and connection of different kinds of application has never been easy, but you can solve it by using connection of Slack to Zapier. So to get started with Zapier, first of all go to any of your browser and search for zapier.com. Click on the first link that is provided by the Zapier officials, and then you'll have to log in into your account. If you have not yet created an account, you can just sign up at the moment using your Google account. For that, tap on sign up with Google option. It will take you to another page whereby you have to continue with your logged in account. Tap on logged in account and then you will open the Zapier settings. Once that is done, you will see an interface similar to this one. Tap on the continue option to agree to the terms and conditions. Now that you are logged in into your Zapier, you can automate different sections, you can add up different Zap, you can add tables, interfaces and whatnot. You can even see different types of templates such as new Gmail emails matching, Google Docs or Google Forms submission and whatnot. So for connecting the Slack, go to the search bar which is on the top and then tap in Slack on this option. Once you have chosen the Slack as a trigger app, you can now start free with Google for the integration of Slack with the Zapier. Now finally you have to tap on connect Slack to 6,000 more applications and then there you go. You have successfully added Slack as a trigger application for your Zapier account. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.